Hello everyone, we the students of Sanskar English Medium School class 11th are going to perform a play The Mother's Day by J.B. Priestley. So take a look on the characters of this story. So let's meet Mrs. Fitzgerald and Mrs. Pearson to.
Hello, Mrs. Fitzgerald.
Hi, how are you?
I am fine. We are so glad that there is a real positive living next door.
No, it's your nobility. It's nothing to me. I am only a magician. Instead, I am too much glad that I have found such a good neighborhood like you. You are looking so tensed. Is there any problem?
No, nothing.
No, you can share with me.
No.
Your family all good now?
Yes, all are right.
But you are looking tensed. It is not okay. It seems that it's not okay.
Actually, my family members always look at their works and not obey my words. They're always treat me like a domestic servant.
Why they do like this?
I don't know.
And you never scold them for this.
I can't. Actually, I love my family and I am happy to do their works.
All right, you love your family, but it is wrong. You can restrict them. You should restrict them for their behavior.
I can't.
Why you can't? You are the head of your family. You are the mother of all of them, your children. You should restrict them. You should teach them how to behave.
I can't.
Why you can't?
I can't.
You know, it's all right. You love your family, but it is wrong. You should take care of their behavior also, their future also.
So what can I do?
You can at least try. You can teach them how to behave.
I can't.
Okay, then let me do it.
But that's impossible.
Oh. You know about magic spell?
No?
It is just a simple magic. I will change our behavior, interchange our behavior, and make them learn, make them teach.
How?
It is just a simple magic. Don't worry. I will magic on you and interchange our behavior. Then I will become Mrs. Pearson in the place of you and make them teach your family member how to behave. It all right?
Yes.
Are you ready for magic spell?
Yes.
Okay. Aristotle, dum, bona. Now you become Mrs. Fitzgerald in the place of me, and I become Mrs. Pearson in the place of you. And now, so you can go in my home and stay there.
Now our first scene of our story has been completed and we are going to take a look on the second scene of the story. So let's meet Miss Doris Pearson.
Mom, you will have to iron my yellow silk. I must wear it tonight.
No, I haven't ironed.
But you are smoking.
Yes, all right.
I thought you did not smoke.
No, I smoke.
Are we having tea in the kitchen?
No, I haven't prepared.
Why? What's wrong with you?
All right, I am better. Nothing wrong with me.
By the way, do you hear what I said about my yellow silk?
No, I haven't ironed. I am telling you now.
But why? I go tonight with Charlie's Spence.
With Charlie Span, that bhakti boy.
Oh, shut up. He is not.
So let us take a next scene of the play. So he is Mr. Cyril Pearson.
Hey mom,
Yes.
is tea ready?
No, I haven't prepared.
Why?
Why will I prepare? I don't want.
Why you will not?
Why will I prepare? If I don't want, then
It's already evening. I want it. That's why you should have to prepare it for me.
if you want, then you can go and prepare yourself.
No, but I want. You should. You are a lady, and this is your work to do, not mine.
Who told only lady prepare tea? You want tea, na? Then you should go and prepare.
This is written in our society. Our society tells that a lady always do homemade work.
Why? It's not only the work of lady. It's your small thinking. Why will I prepare?
That is not my thinking. That is thinking of everyone. You should have to prepare, and you are going to prepare it for me, and that's all.
No. If I don't want to take tea, then I will not go and I will not prepare for you.
Today, are you gonna mad?
No, I am all right.
So why are you behaving like this with me?
I am behaving as like you. Yeah.
Let it be. You are preparing or not?
No, I am not prepared and I will not prepare.
So go to hell.
Yeah, you can go.
What happened?
Has mom been like that with you too?
Yes, but what do you mean?
When I come, she's smoking and playing cards. I just shock.
Yes, similar with me. I don't know what's wrong with her.
Well, I thought I done something wrong.
Yes, I don't know. I think she's gonna mad.
Yes. If you ask me, I say she is far-fisted.
Yes, she is completely mad.
Yes.
Anyway, I have to go pub. So bye.
Okay, bye.
So let's meet the next character of the play, Mr. George Pearson.
Hey, what's going on?
You will see.
What is this? You are drinking alcohol?
Yes.
This is not good for your health.
Why? I like it.
Because the ladies they haven't drink this alcohol.
Where is it written?
It is believed that from our ancestor also and us also.
No, but I like it and I just drink it.
But this is not good for your health.
I know, but it is not good for your health also. Then you drink now.
Left all. Today I don't take tea because I am going to club.
I haven't prepared as well.
Why? And suppose if I want to take then
Then you would go and prepare yourself.
you are gone mad. You are giving tea since last 30 years.
Then,
And now you are just speaking, I haven't prepared it.
then yes, I didn't want now. Then I will not prepare. It's all right.
Why?
What? Why?
I'm
I
going
didn't
to
want now. Okay, go. All right. And listen one thing.
Yes.
All the people laugh on you, telling
Why?
telling you Ompy Pompy. Pearson.
I'm not so fat so that people may speak like this to me.
It's correct. I'm telling you now. You can ask to Cyril Pearson. As well.
I'm going from here. What your mother say right now?
What?
She told me bumpy wumpy fatty. What is this? I'm so fat.
No, you are so slim, fit.
I think she gone mad.
Yes, you are completely hot.
What's going on here? Is everything is alright?
Yes, correct. All good.
I can't bear my family members in travel. I can't see.
Okay, but I have make them learn, make them teach how to behave, and remember one thing. They come to know how to behave and respect them, but don't tell them about our magic spell. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then we can interchange our behavior. Aristotle dum, Okay.
I hope you all must enjoy
The play.
Mother's Day by J.B. Priestley.
ये दिल मांगे अमर. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoy this play. This play is all about our mother who always take care of us 24 into 7 and work for us, and we should respect her, and we should care her and understand her.